Hello and welcome to Sparcon with Angie. On this channel, we explore different types of building envelope materials with insight into their price, durability, and just general performance through time. In this episode, we're looking at the Jackman Law Building at the University of Toronto's downtown campus. It is home to the University of Toronto's Faculty of Law and is an absolutely stunning architectural masterpiece. There are several buildings at the University of Toronto's downtown location that are considered heritage buildings because of their architectural significance and also because of their age. The focus for today is the renovation and addition to the Faculty of Law building that was completed in 2016. This addition was designed by renowned Toronto architect Hariri Pontarini, and B+H Architects were the executive architects on the project. Also known as the architect of record, an executive architect is the architectural firm that collaborates with the design architect, in this case Hariri Pontarini, to provide the construction drawings necessary to obtain building permits for the project. Not only is the Jackman Law Building architecturally astounding, but it is also built to LEED Silver level energy standards with walls that have R20 thermal performance. And this is just one of the parameters that is evaluated to obtain this rating. An interesting fact is that the building prominently features local limestone both inside and on the exterior. It also integrates several other building materials on the exterior, including precast concrete, nickel, and glass. The renovation's most striking feature is the giant semi-suspended curved wall that runs along the east and west elevations and incorporates a stunning row of limestone fins. These fins serve two primary functions. One is to protect the windows and help keep the building cool, and two, for design and aesthetic reasons, adding architectural uniqueness and oomph to the building. This building is a great example where natural and artificial stone are both used throughout the exterior. The natural stone that is predominantly used is limestone, and the artificial stone that is most present throughout the facade is precast concrete. Now, can you tell the difference between these two from the photos and videos here? Limestone is a natural stone and is a very popular cladding material for good reasons. It is very durable, looks amazing, and weathers really nicely through time. Architects typically opt for dimensional stone when it comes to limestone. That is a limestone slab that is typically 2 to 3 inches thick and is cut to the desired dimensions. This is a great choice, but there are some limitations to size as the weight of the panel may pose a logistical challenge. So typically dimensional stone is cut to 1 by 2 feet or 2 by 4 feet, as these sizes are fairly easy to manage, transport, and install. Another option is to go with honeycomb-backed natural stone. In this scenario, a thin slab of limestone is sandwiched between honeycomb aluminum panels on each side, and once the adhesive is cured, the limestone is sliced through the middle, creating 2 panels. This method allows for much larger panel sizing, up to 5 by 10 feet or even larger, and is used when large monolithic panels are desired for a project. Other key advantages that honeycomb-backed panels offer is design flexibility. So providing the ability to seamlessly form the panels into atypical shapes and designs, and ease of handling and installation. Since these panels are much thinner, typically 1 to 2 inches at most, they are significantly lighter and easier to carry and transport. There are several manufacturers of honeycomb-backed panels in the world, and in a later video we'll go over who the main players are and look at some of the similarities and differences between them with respect to price, durability, and just general performance through time. Thank you so much for watching, and please join me on the next episode of Sparcon with Angie, the source for building envelope material insights.